From the warehouse screen, you first need to enter the receiver's information on the left side of the screen. Next, on the right side of the screen, you will need to select Purolator Freight as the carrier from the drop-down list. As you change the carrier from Purolator to Purolator Freight, fields on the user interface will be added or removed to match the shipment requirements. Select the shipment type weighing option to meet your needs. You may have options depending on your system preferences for weigh each piece, weigh one piece, or weigh total shipment. For this example, we will use the option to weigh total shipment, which is most typical of an LTL freight shipment. Enter the total shipment weight in the total weight field and select the proper weight unit. In the handling unit field on the handling quantity type line, enter the number of units in the shipment, and then select your handling type from the provided drop-down list. Next, on the piece quantity type line, enter the piece quantity and then select the piece type from the drop-down list. For example, if your shipment consists of 2 skids with 50 boxes per skid, your total number of handling units will be 2. The handling type selected from the drop-down list will be skid. The piece quantity will be 100, and the piece type will be box. Next, enter a description in the Description of Goods field. The description provided should be a clear and accurate description of the goods being shipped. This description will display on the bill of lading. Let's review the Purolator Freight options, as you may need some of them. Click on Options to select any shipment options known as accessorials, to schedule a pickup request and set up shipment and delivery notifications. A new window will open that contains 3 tabs. On the Shipment tab, you will be able to select the most common shipment options. Let's focus on the differences between an advanced delivery notification/appointments and a pre-booked appointment. The advanced delivery notification/appointment is when Purolator is required to provide notice or book an appointment in advance of delivering. The pre-booked appointment is when Purolator is required to deliver to a pre-booked appointment made by a party, whether the shipper or receiver other than Purolator. When delivering to the pre-booked appointment, an additional day may be required to the system estimated delivery date that is dependent on the time the freight arrives at the destination terminal. Each is subject to an additional charge. To pre-book an appointment, you will need to enter an appointment date and time. When entering your requested delivery date and time, make sure to take into account the estimated delivery date of your shipment. The estimated delivery date is based on the transit time from the point of origin to the destination. In the event that you request an appointment that is prior to the estimated delivery date for that shipment, you will receive an error message asking you to change the appointment date to on or after the estimated delivery date of your shipment. On the Pickup tab, depending on your default setting, one of the 3 pickup options will already be selected. From the Pickup Type drop-down menu, you can select Manual Pickup, meaning that you will call in to make the pickup request at 1-888 ship 123. You can select Pickup Requested, meaning that you would like to request a pickup at that moment, or select Pre-scheduled Pickup, meaning that you already have a pickup scheduled for your shipment. If you are requesting a pickup, you will need to select a ready time and close time. Ready time is the time when the shipment is ready for pickup, and the close time is the time when your business closes. Note that when shipping with Purolator Freight, a 2-hour difference between the ready time and close time is required. Otherwise, you will get a system message requesting you to adjust your times or pickup date. In addition, freight cutoff times will also need to be taken into consideration when requesting a pickup. A cutoff time is the time limit in the day up until which you can request a pickup for that day. When shipping with Purolator Freight, your location cutoff time may be different from when you are shipping with Purolator Courier. The freight cutoff time is operationally defined and will vary according to region and clearing time of the terminal that serves your location. If you request a pickup that is past your cutoff time, the system will not allow you to proceed with the pickup request even if you do include the 2-hour window between the ready time and close time for your pickup. In this situation, a system message will be displayed asking you to change the shipment date to the following or a future business day. This means that your shipment must be ready for pickup by 9 a.m. on the selected business day. On the Notification tab, you are able to define who should be notified about the status of your shipment. You can add up to 4 recipients in addition to the sender. Your recipients can receive email notifications when the appointment is set, when the shipment is scanned out for delivery, and when the shipment is delivered. Make your selections by checking off the appropriate boxes. When your option selections are complete, click Done to close this window and return to the warehouse screen to continue the shipment request. On the warehouse screen, click on Add and you will see the shipment appear in the box below. Check the box next to the shipment and click on Ship. The shipment number will be displayed at the top of the screen. Here is a sample of the bill of lading. It will be printed in 2 copies, one for the Purolator driver and the second one for the shipper to keep. The bill of lading is a legal document between the shipper of a particular good and Purolator Freight detailing the description, quantity, and destination of the good being transported. The copy for the driver will be used for billing purposes. A shipment label is printed to identify each handling unit in the shipment. For example, if the shipment consists of 2 skids, then 2 shipping labels will be printed. Each shipping label is adhered to each handling unit in the shipment.